Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be speaking about one of the best coins to make an investment right now. But before we continue with the video, please check other videos on my channel and subscribe. I am posting only videos about coins with a strong background story and a project with a great future. So please stick around till the end of the video. Maybe you will find this coin to be a good investment in the end. Today we will speak about Efinity. Probably some of you have already heard about it. Efinity is the world's cross-chain NFT blockchain. Powered by the deflationary EFI token, the network is environmentally friendly, scalable, and built for games, apps, enterprises, and creators to deliver their own non-fungible tokens to mainstream audiences. Behind the Efinity project is Enjin, the company behind the multi-billion-dollar Enjin coin. It aspires to be a next-generation blockchain for NFTs, with minimal fees and rewards for Enjin holders, thanks to Polkadot technology. A significant barrier to NFT adoption is Ethereum's high fees and lengthy transaction times. A user must have Ethereum and be tech-savvy enough to set up a MetaMask wallet financed with Ethereum to purchase an NFT, which can cost up to $100 in fees depending on blockchain congestion. All of these impediments to entry make it difficult for the typical consumer to purchase and engage with NFTs. Transactions are handled by the Efinity Parachain's collator nodes, and the network distributes EFI to stakeholders. Security, on the other hand, is handled by Polkadot's relay chain validators, which implies that Efinity users are not charged for validation. In the Polkadot ecosystem, the Efinity blockchain will function as a parachain. This implies that Efinity will be one of 100 blockchains that can communicate with one another due to Polkadot's interconnection technology, allowing developers of other parachains to incorporate Efinity NFTs into their ecosystem. Enjin is also developing a paratoken, which will be comparable to the ERC-1155 tokens they developed for Ethereum. EFI will be, in reality, the first paratoken. With a confirmation period of 6 seconds, the Efinity blockchain will be able to process roughly 700 transactions per second. Efinity will serve as a central point for all fungible and non-fungible tokens. Since it will produce network effects by attracting growing numbers of transactions, the network that overcomes the issue of enabling the pricing and exchange of NFTs will inevitably acquire attraction. The goal of Efinity is to serve as an NFT highway, rather than a general-purpose computing blockchain. The network prioritizes token generation, transfers, and purchases. Ethereum and other blockchains have grown prohibitively costly. To relocate a single token, the ordinary user may have to pay $7 or more. Efinity's transaction costs are meant to be much smaller, allowing users to focus on their favorite items without thinking about how the network works. EFI offers features that are offered by only a handful of NFT marketplaces. As per EFI's official whitepaper, Efinity will handle up to 700 to 1,000 transactions per second. The Ethereum network presently processes approximately 15 TPS. TPS may be increased in the future when the Efinity and Polkadot runtime code is optimized. Transactions are verified in less than 6 seconds, allowing for the quick reaction times required by mainstream applications. Before broadcasting, a transaction might contain a fee payer signature, which enables someone else to acknowledge responsibility for fees through a signature. This can prove to be advantageous for businesses and producers that wish to reduce transaction expenses for their customers. One more positive thing about Efinity is the constant activity of the team behind it. You can find a link to their Twitter account and to their white paper in the description of my video. The current circulating supply is 169 million coins. With a price of $1.50 per coin, Efinity has a $256 million market cap, which is constantly increasing. Consider one more important thing about this coin. It is one of the youngest coins on the market. He came on the market in August this year, just a few months ago, and some people already made some good profits from it. Considering his small market cap, fast-growing popularity, and his connection with the NFT market, some people even have a prediction that it will go far above $10 for each coin in the future, which is very possible to happen. Consider before investing in each coin to analyze on your own a little bit about it to be sure that it will pay off to you. That would be all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Consider supporting my channel with a like or subscribe, it means to me a lot, and be sure to check the description of the video for the Efinity Twitter page and whitepaper. See you in the next video. Bye.